can we download QuickBooks for free? So if you want to download QuickBooks for free, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser. After that, tap on the official website, which looks like this. Now, if you don't have an account, then you just need to simply go and create an account. Or if you already have one, you can go and log into your account. And once you've logged in, if you want to download QuickBooks and for free, then let me tell you, then it's not possible. You need to first go and select a plan. So if you want to download QuickBooks for free, then here you will have all of the plans like Simple Start or Essentials. You can just simply tap on Choose Plan. You can also see all of the features of these two plans. Or if you scroll down, then you will have all of the features, like all of the plans, which is Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. You can go and select any plan that you're comfortable with. The cheapest one is Simple Start, and it has a pretty good features as well, as you can see right here. So go and select a plan. And after selecting the plan, the second step will be your checkout. Once you're done with the checkout, then you'll be able to download QuickBooks for free. But without a plan, you won't be able to do that. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.